मैं आसपास ही था।
Was around. Was around.
कृपया कष्ट न करें।
Please don't bother. Please don't bother.
कृपया थोड़ा आराम कर लें।
Please take some rest. Please take some rest.
आना न भूलिएगा।
Don't forget to come. Don't forget to come.
मैं थोड़ा कम व्यस्त था।
I was a bit busy. I was a bit busy.
मुझे भी दिल्ली जाना है।
I want to go Delhi. I want to go Delhi.
अपने बाप को मत सिखा।
Don't teach your father. Don't teach your father.
यहाँ किस काम से आए हो?
What brings you here? What brings you here?
आपसे मिलकर बहुत खुशी हुई।
Pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you.
क्या आप चाय लेना पसंद करेंगे?
Would you like to take tea? Would you like to take tea?
बस इतना ही काफी है।
That's enough. That's enough.
जैसा आप चाहे।
As you please. As you please.
चालाक मत बनो।
Don't be smart. Don't be smart.
जैसी आपकी मर्जी।
As your wish. As your wish.
जैसा आपको ठीक लगे।
As you feel like. As you feel like.
जैसी आपने कहा मैंने किया।
I did as you said. I did as you said.
समय पर काम करो।
Act in time. Act in time.
खाना लगा दो।
Serve the food. Serve the food.
देरी मत करो।
Don't delay. Don't delay.
कपड़े सुखा दो।
Put the clothes to dry. Put the clothes to dry.
शांत हो जाओ।
Calm down. Calm down.
अच्छी कोशिश की।
Well tried. Well tried.
कृपया अंदर आइए।
Please come in. Please come in.
खीरा छील दो।
Eat of the cucumber. Eat of the cucumber.
क्या आप थोड़ा खिसकेंगे?
Will you please move a bit? Will you please move a bit?
और बताओ।
Tell me more. Tell me more.
जरा सोचो।
Just think. Just think.
उसे भड़काओ मत।
Don't provoke him. Don't provoke him.
वह मांसाहारी है।
He is a non-vegetarian. He is a non-vegetarian.
अपना ख्याल रखना।
Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself.
यह कितने शर्म की बात है।
How shameful it is. How shameful it is.